Before you view our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tapping the bell icon so that you will be the first to know when we post new videos.
These are the recommended sleep times according to the National Sleep Foundation. Rest is highly significant of everyone's health, thus it is necessary to know the recommended sleep hours that the experts advise. Look at the amount of sleep you will need if you want to have enough energy throughout the day, have greater mental clarity, and get good health. The recommended sleep time according to age is provided by the National Sleep Foundation. When we don't sleep well, then we feel tired and have issues concentrating, making decisions, think clearly, and also suffer from lack of appetite. The sleep issues are directly linked to many health issues. If you sleep for less than 5 hours per night, your health will be affected. Sleeping for less than 7 hours will promote weight gain, diabetes, and obesity. However, if you know how much rest is enough, will be the first preventive action. What are the recommended sleep hours according to age? A professor at the Harvard University, Charles Czeisler, did a research in order to see how much sleep is needed for each individual age group. This and other researches done between 2004 and 2014 show the following results. Newborn, 0 to 3 months, 14 to 17 hours. Babies, 4 to 11 months, 12 to 15 hours. Children, 1 to 2 years, 11 to 14 hours. Preschool, 3 to 5 years, 10 to 13 hours. School age, 6 to 13 years, 9 to 11 hours. Teens, 14 to 17 years, 8 to 10 hours. Youth, 18 to 25 years, 7 to 9 hours. Adults, 26 to 64 years, 7 to 9 hours. Seniors, above 65, 7 to 8 hours. These rates are given approximately, and every person can present a certain variation in the number of rest hours. If the amount is decreased considerably, it can lead to health problems. What are the main causes of sleep issues are? 2 main factors trigger sleep issues: stress and technology. Stress, it releases cortisol, the stress hormone, and if its levels are elevated, then restful sleep will be prevented, interfering with your feelings and well-being. Technology, the light emitted by the devices prevents the brain release the amount of melatonin needed for the body. If we stay in the dark, the body releases more melatonin, and this process is interrupted by the light emitted by our TVs, laptops, and cell phones. Source: HealthyLifeCenter.net. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe to my channel. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.